Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Have you ever wondered how to deep fry a whole turkey? Well, wonder no more. We're gonna do it together in this video. And this process of deep frying a turkey guarantees you each time to have a very super moist turkey. The reason that I choose to dry brine instead of wet brine when frying is because it will give me that crispy skin on the outside. When it touches the very hot oil, it's gonna tighten and it's gonna give you that super crispy skin with a very juicy inside, because it's gonna seal all the juices inside. And that's why I choose to dry brine the turkey 1 or 2 days before in the fridge. And for this dry brine, you can use salt and mix it with all kind of different spices of herbs that you like. What I choose to do is 2 tablespoons of salt, and I also use 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of grounded garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley, dry parsley, and 1 tablespoon of crushed red peppers. And this is gonna give me that spiciness that I like. So we're gonna mix. This is a very easy process where we're just mixing everything. Just pour. Now this is the salt you want to cover your turkey entirely, inside and outside, and let it sit inside your fridge for 1 day or 2. This turkey has already been inside the fridge for 1 day with this salt. There are different ways that you can deep fry a turkey. The way I like is with an electric deep fryer, and the reason I like it is because I can control the temperature, and it's gonna give me every time a very moist turkey. Let's fry it. It's time to carve our turkey. This one took less than an hour because it's just 14 pounds. The time it's gonna take for your turkey to fry, it depends on the size of the turkey. I wanna show you guys how juicy this is. I wanna show you. This skin is so crispy. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's so crispy. And the meat is so tender and super juicy. Can you see the juices there? Can you see how tender? Can you tell how juicy this is? How moist this is? I love it. Thank you for being again here in Cooking with Hilda, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. See you next time.